So this is my masterclass bundle that I'm offering on a big sale this Chinese New Year as my gift to you all. So usually I offer this for 7,000. It's a collection of four of my best masterclasses, but right now I'm just offering it for 1,000 pesos only. So para sa mga freelancer na lost pa rin and confused on what to offer, patalon-talo ng skill, mga pagod na ma-scene zone ng prospect, hindi alam saan maghahanap ng client, worried kung paano mag-stand out from other freelancers, ayaw nang gumamit ng boring scripts kasi lagi na sa scene zone, mga takot mag-discovery call, mga ayaw magbenta kasi baka masabihan ng spammy or hindi alam yung ipopost or sawa na mag-value post kasi feeling nila hindi effective. This is for you. So I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside. So the first workshop is Attract Your Ideal Client Challenge. So it's a 4-day workshop that I held na marami rin nagka-results dito. So day 1 is all about attracting clients to you by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So dito sa class na to, maraming nagka-results na students because they actually got inbound leads by applying what they learned in optimizing their profile. Day 2 is about being visible, how to attract your client on sites other than online jobs, Fiverr and Upwork. So saan pa pwedeng maghanap ng clients aside from those sites na alam naman natin grabe yung competition with other freelancers. Day 3 is about being irresistible or about creating content that really attracts your clients. So I talk about content do's and don'ts. Then I actually interviewed a student of mine na si Rico, who is a photographer who went from jobless nung pandemic dahil nawalan siya ng trabaho to, after attending my masterclass, he got hired as the official photographer of two of the biggest food delivery industries in the Philippines, which is GrabFood and Foodpanda. Yan yung mga kuha niya for them. No, di ba? Nakaka-proud si Rico just by attending that workshop. And day 4 is being seductive or initiating conversations that actually get you noticed. Then I also included some bonuses here of my students' sample messages and conversations that actually got them hired. So pwede nyo rin yang i-swipe. Okay? So the second masterclass inside the masterclass bundle is the message dissection clinic plus the client magnet secret. So ito naman ang laman yan. So day 1 is a 5-day workshop. Day 1 is about finding out who your ideal client is. Kung hirap ka mag-niche down, this is for you. Day 2 is about creating your offer. So kung hirap ka pa rin, how to position your offer, how to actually create an offer statement. Ano nga ba yung offer ko? Ito yon, how to create an irresistible offer that is really parang yummy, magugustuhan ng clients. Day 3 is about standing out from the rest. How to initiate conversations na makapa-stand out at maaalala ka talaga ng clients. Ano yung mga dapat na elements ng isang conversation na mag-stand out ka sa kanya kahit na wala kang experience at newbie ka pa lang. You can still stand out kasi nagawa na yan ng mga students ko using what I taught in this masterclass. Then day 4 is about overcoming anxiety and nervousness. So sometimes kahit alam mo na lahat to, kinakabahan pa rin kaya hindi gumagawa ng action, di ba? So day 4 is all about yung overcoming that anxiety and nervousness and how to kiss it goodbye. Okay? And day 5 is how to turn prospects into clients and pivoting that conversation from rapport to actually shifting to offering na your services without sounding salesy, of course. Okay? The third part of the masterclass bundle, ito yung favorite ng students ko and my executive students as well, is your Meet Your Anti-Hero Masterclass. So the usual rate for this workshop alone is 2,500 but sinama ko na siya sa masterclass bundle na 1,000 lang. So sometimes kahit anong aral natin ng strategies na tinuro ko dito sa mga previous workshop, you still feel that you're self-sabotaging, right? Parang may roadblock, hindi mo malaman bakit hindi ka makatake ng action. So dito ko dinidiscuss how you can actually overcome those roadblocks by meeting your sabotagers. Saan sila nanggaling and bakit? And paano mo sila i-beat? And day 2 is all about procrastination, which is kalaban din ng mga freelancers, di ba? So, how to kiss procrastination goodbye. And there are also 2 group coaching sessions na sobrang dami nyong matitake away from that na as if parang nandun na rin kayo. And I'm sure marami sa inyo magtitake na ng action after attending this masterclass or watching this masterclass. Okay? And the last part of the masterclass bundle is my personal favorite. It's the Design Your Most Aligned and Abundant Year Workshop. This is valued at 2,500 pero again, sinama ko na siya sa bundle. So turning goal setting and goal getting into a tangible, easy, and fun process. Why? Because this will be all about your desires, which will be aligned to your actual core values. So I included a free Notion tracker dito when you purchase this. Na hindi lang tayo goal setting, we will actually dive deep into what you really desire in life. Your core values. Yung mga mahilig sa manifesting dyan, siguro ito yung kulang na part. Yung ano ba yung totoong desire? Ano yung difference ng totoong desire sa parang narinig mo lang or definition ng iba about success tapos hindi ka nga sure kung ano talagang gusto mo. Dito malalaman mo ano talagang gusto mo. Then we'll work on building and designing your year around those. Not just something na feeling mo kailangan mo lang gawin. Then from there, we organize your goals. Yan, ganyan itsura niya. Then we plan your year. And then based on dun sa mga goals na yon in a very organized way, na talagang hindi ka na mag-self-sabotage, then we plan your habits, have a habit tracker and discussion about habits. And then micro into the daily to-do list, o diba? It's so easy to use and this is my absolute favorite. So parang magkaka-excitement ka na in your year kasi you know that you'll be spending more time in activities and people that make you happy without sacrificing your career or your productivity. So these are everything that's included in the Masterclass bundle. So guys, I hope you get this. So marami ng students yung really broke out of their limiting beliefs and just were able to step up in their freelancing game, attract ideal clients and earn more, charging their ideal rates and actually going on vacations that they love na dati nagigilty sila. Like itong si Jada, she was able to go on her dream vacation. Si Sheena, ganun din, na dating mommy na nagigilty, going on vacation, she was able to go on a vacation, even buy a condo na mga dati hindi niya nagagawa. So, guys, if you are interested, I'll drop the link to the Google form. Just fill it out. Again, it's just 1,000 pesos. Question hanggang kailan yung offer. It's a limited time offer available from today. So it's February 12 until 1 week, February 19. And then, how long yung access? Guys, this is lifetime access na. Wala na 1 year ganyan. So this is lifetime access. Consume it whenever you want. Then, wala nang additional fees dun sa 1,000 pesos. So if you have any questions, just drop me a DM. I'll put the link of the Google form here below. Just fill it out and then make your payment dun sa payment channels and then we'll give you access. Just make sure to put in your most recent email or the email that you want to get access to the courses. So again, these are 4 of my best masterclasses, all just for 1,000 pesos. Thanks, guys.